Hello, everyone. It's Neil. Happy Friday. I thought I'd send a video to perhaps make things a little faster here. Okay, so Ann and I spoke this morning. We think the course looks pretty good, really good. There are a few things that I added, like the resources that we talked about that are going to be used, and tried to make things clear about um, the student support team in terms of coaches, host teachers, and the seminar instructor. And then also, I made it clear in many places. I linked the field appraisal form, which is the reason for that is that's how students are going to want to know how they're going to be evaluated from their coach. So made that very available and tried to explain it as much as possible. Um, the only kind of maybe an issue that I see is during the um, the different times of the term where, and I think it was really smart how you did this, and I like it, but in a perfect world it would work, Nicole. But if we could move these here for submitting the field appraisal forms from week one or module one, five, and 10, if we could move those to here where so they could just submit them there, that would be great. And the reason behind that is because we don't know and can't control when the coach can get out there logistically to see the students. It may not be, it likely will not be during module one. So it might be that we want to avoid a student having to go back to module one to submit this when it's module five. You know what I mean? So we thought that if we could put that here where they can find information and submit them all in one spot, then we wouldn't have to worry about, kind of pigeonholing it to a specific week. Please let me know if this makes sense, and I'm happy to explain. Thanks.